This week's turning events challenge is the 360 Fakie, or the 360 Fakie. How to do the 360 Fakie is to roll up, pedal flat, come up and about right here. You want to turn your bars and do a hop and keep spinning around, and like keep your bike front wheel up kinda. And then once you land, Fakie, and go out. How to improve the 360 Fakie is this: to keep doing it. Yeah. When coming up on it, when you do hop, you'll want to pull out of the quarter and spin, and then spot your landing. Boom. Boom. Yeah. A way to warm up to the trick would be to do the 180 air and just keep overspinning it like that, you know, until you finally get the thing. Yeah, done. Download turning events today. 360. Mark. How to improve the 360 Fakie is this: to keep doing it.